What is the legal status of NFTs in the metaverse? Imagine owning a piece of digital art or a virtual property that you can sell or trade just like real-world assets. That's what non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are all about in the metaverse. But what does the law say about these digital assets? The legal scene around NFTs in the metaverse is changing fast. Different countries have different rules, and there's no single global standard yet. NFTs are unique digital tokens stored on blockchain networks, which prove ownership or authenticity of digital items like art, music, or virtual land. In the metaverse, people use NFTs to buy, sell, and showcase digital property. But owning an NFT doesn't automatically mean you own the copyright or trademark rights to the content. That's where things get tricky. When you buy an NFT, you're often just buying a proof of ownership for that specific token, not the rights to reproduce or modify the underlying content. The legal enforceability of smart contracts that manage NFTs can also be uncertain. These contracts are self-executing digital agreements, but courts are still figuring out how enforceable they are in different jurisdictions. One big challenge is intellectual property rights. If someone creates an NFT of copyrighted work without permission, it could be copyright infringement. Similarly, trademark issues can arise if NFTs use protected logos or brand names without authorization. Governments are also debating how to classify NFTs for tax purposes. Are they assets, commodities, or securities? This affects how they are taxed and regulated. Some regulators see certain NFTs as gambling or investment products, which adds another layer of legal complexity. The use of artificial intelligence in creating and managing NFTs adds more questions. AI can generate art or manage smart contracts, but who is responsible if something goes wrong? These emerging issues mean that laws are still catching up with technology. As the metaverse expands, lawmakers are working on clearer rules to protect creators, buyers, and sellers. They aim to prevent IP theft and ensure fair trading. Overall, the legal status of NFTs in the metaverse is a mix of existing laws being applied in new ways and new regulations still being developed. It's an exciting space, but one that requires careful navigation to stay within the law.